The ICD-10 transition is expected to cost from $100,000 to several $1,000,000 per practice or hospital. Despite having the additional time to get up to speed, the AMA is worried that physicians are still facing a costly and aggressive timeline for implementing ICD-10. One of the reasons is because training clinical and administrative staff to use the new ICD-10 code set may require up to 16 hours for coding staff, 8 hours for administrative staff, and 12 hours for providers, according to analysis. But don't worry, there is an app for that. ICD-10 Helper by Ringful enables medical professionals and pro patients to look up any ICD-9 and ICD-10 code via free text search, drill into the details of the code, and convert codes between ICD-9 and ICD-10 code systems. The code translation is done using the official matching algorithms published by the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, and the Health and Human Services Department, HHS. Get the app from the App Store now.